What's up, guys? Back with another cooking, baking, and more video. I'm Wavy50. Obviously, we have some equipment in front of us, so we're gonna be making a more video. Again, just our preference, right? More is anything that we're not cooking, baking, things like that, just random shit, right? So if you don't know, the club likes to enjoy hookahs. This is our personal private hookah that we keep here and utilize, I guess you could say. So we're gonna tell you and show you how to set it up. This is the way we set it up, probably completely wrong. We're not any specific culture that may or may not have a better way to do this. However, this is what we've been doing, all right? And it's perfectly fine, right? We've had a good time. So what you're gonna need, hookah, right? You need this. This is basically just a very large water pipe, okay? You're gonna need a tray, some little tongs, right? We're gonna need some coals, right? We use these square ones because they come in a box like this, right? You're gonna need shisha or some tobacco that is flavored, preferably. We have a couple different brands that we like to use and a couple different flavors. Then you're gonna need a bowl, right? This is the bowl. I don't know, there's probably a real name for it. We just call it a bowl because we fucking smoke weed and shit. Then you need a tube and a fucking mouthpiece. This is what we use. Mashallah, you know. We're also gonna need aluminum foil, paper towels, a fork, and something to poke holes with, okay? So come along, we're gonna try to do this one in one take. So if you see this being cut up, we fucked something up, all right? Let's just be honest here. So let's get going. We're gonna do one cut right now. After that, it should be one take. So again, we're gonna cut right now, all right? All right, here we go, Wavy50, one take, setting up a hookah. We're gonna start with these coals, all right? You could buy whatever you like. This is just what we happen to buy because they were there and we needed them. They're around like 15 bucks or so. I'm probably gonna be talking a lot about random nonsense because one take. Usually I like to stop and talk my shit and clear my head. I like to do 4, okay? There's 2, 3, we're gonna use this one. 4. Now, the camera boy wants to come follow me. We're gonna show you how we do this at home. Obviously, they probably make contraptions. They probably make some special device, right? We're using a gas stove, okay? Look, oh, we should probably put them on first. Hey, one take, magic, right? You could take the coals, let's turn the light on. I put them on the edge of my gas stove range, or stove, whatever you wanna call it, like this. That's what I do. Let me turn it on high. Boom, high. Cool, that's gonna stay, okay? Let's go back over here, all right? Cameraman, you're gonna be working today, all right? Coals to the side. We don't have YouTube magic, but hey, it is what it is. So we're gonna be packing a bowl. You don't really pack it that difficult. I don't even know if you technically do this the right way. I just watched videos about it and I was like, we should probably do that. So again, if I'm doing something wrong at home, suck it, I don't know, sorry dude. What are we smoking tonight, boys? Peach. Peach. All right, we're doing white peach. We don't like white peach. We just already opened it and we don't want to waste it. So if you're at home and it's your first time smoking hookah, go like white gummy bear. That's like a solid one.
Watermelon.
Watermelon, strawberry, fruity shit. Okay. You want to get a close up of what this looks like when I get it. You don't need a lot. Obviously, like you could buy bigger tins of flavors you like. I use a fork. There's probably some kind of contraption to get shisha out and everything. Okay, it looks gross, it's sticky, it smells good, it's delicious. Don't eat it, don't do anything stupid. If you're over 21, smoke. If you're under, don't smoke anything in California. We're not in California, just kidding. But yeah, I'm gonna be talking a lot and getting shisha out of this goddamn bag. And this is probably way too much shisha, but hey, we don't like this flavor, we need to get rid of it. So put that to the side, cool? We're using paper towels because there's a little bit of juiciness, right? And you know how Kid Mom likes it juicy, but tonight we don't like it juicy. We need to get a little excess of the flavor off or the sugars or whatever it is. We do this, we pat it, cool. Massage your shisha, you know, massage it. It's all good. And then you want to like, I don't know what the technical term for this would be, but like break it up, I don't know, sure. You could also like chop it and things. Which I've seen people do, but I don't chop it because it seems to be chopped and that's way more than work you need to do. Cool, we got a bowl. If this is not called a bowl, we're calling it a bowl tonight. All right, so follow along. You could use your fingers, but it's gonna be sticky and yucky, okay? That's a technical term. Put the shisha in here, okay? Just watch. Follow along, let me know how you smoke hookah at home. hey, you know, I'm a white boy that likes hookah, so we're doing this, okay? Also, if you watched the ice cream video, this goes really well with ice cream. So let me know in the comments below. That rhymes. Look at that, I can make a rhyme anytime. But yeah, get it all, don't waste it. Like I said, this isn't like stupid expensive, but, and you don't want to pack it. So all those smokers out there that smoke other products and other herbs and flowers, do not want to pack it the same way. You kind of want to like light and airy. I like to poke it a little bit because you want air to go through. Cool. Make sure it's like flat. Cool. That's it. Boom. Sick. Bowl there. Paper towel to the side. We don't have time. Okay. Aluminum foil. Yeah, they sell like aluminum foil sheets and things that are like designed for this. We don't have them because we use aluminum foil. Okay. Boom. Make it flat. Right? And then what I've learned, or someone told me, shiny side, I don't know, there's a difference. I didn't know that. Let me know at home if you knew that. Shiny side, fold in half. Okay? Obviously. Wow, cell phones, guys. One take. Right? You want to do the flat, or the matte side. You don't want shiny. I don't know why. Let me know in the comments below. Again. And what you do is that. I don't know how to explain that, but I just did it and you guys watched it. So that's what you do. Make sure it's kind of tight, not too tight. Because you know CBM likes it tight. But that's it, right? You wrap it around the bowl and that's done. That's pretty much done, except for poking, right? You want to poke holes in here, okay? You want air to go through, you want to burn this, you want smoke to go in, and then you smoke it and it goes in your thing. And we have our camera boy needing to take a phone call. So I tried. This isn't my fault. You guys can't give me shit. This was one take, but he wanted a cut. So hey, fuck it, hard cut. All right, so I know I promised one take, and you know, it's technically not my fault, okay? Don't shoot me. Hit up the camera boy, all right? It's his fault, okay? But anyway, back to what we're doing. We got the bowl, it's packed. We have material in here. We got aluminum foil on top. You wanna poke holes, right? We were talking about air, get that air in there. You don't wanna be harsh and fucking burnt and gross and disgusting, because that's not a good time. So what I do is I like to poke in the middle, one, okay? And then we're gonna go on the side and make like a cross, right? It doesn't have to be perfect. This is just to get the job done. And then sure, they make tools and shit for this that you just fucking press once and it's perfect. And we don't do that, okay? And then we're gonna do another cross. And that's just what I like to do. So, you know, do whatever you want. You wanna make a Star of David or whatever, cool. If you wanna make, I don't know, a pentagram, even better, right? 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Count them, I don't know. Do whatever, I don't know, autistic or acoustic. Boom, that looks good to me. What does that look like? You look good? Cool. Done. Now camera boy, let's go check out these tools. Let's get back, let's check out these tools, you know. And if you're running at home, that's what these little tongs are for, okay? I wanna get a little close up, not too close, because you know, there's debris and grossness. But yeah, they're on fire. Again, don't touch this, it's hot, don't touch it. What I like to do, or what we do, is they don't have to be perfectly red, right? The whole thing does not be red, because it's not a large hookah. There's not like multiple tubes and a bunch of people here. It's just me and a couple boys. Obviously, you could tell in the background. I just get it to be one side to be red, right? So again, this looks fine. This looks good to me. Get your tray, put them on the tray. Look at that. Look at how easy that is. And again, they're hot, so don't touch anything. The tray will naturally get hot. Don't burn yourself. This is an adult only thing. Turn your stove off. Cool. Wow, camera boy. One take. Wow. Professional. And so basically what we're doing, right? We got coals. We got a bowl. We got a hookah. We need water in it, right? We should have put fucking water in it. Whose job was it to goddamn put water in the, god damn it. All right, so, hey, one take, we're gonna have to take this thing off. Remember when I said in the beginning of this that we should take this apart, and we were like, no, we probably shouldn't take it apart because it's gonna take longer.
You were the one.
It was me, I know, it was me, you can't. Hey, you know it is what it is. You know, my job is to blame these guys, it's not about me. We have a really tight hookah. You know, CBM likes it tight.
You love it tight.
Yeah, you do. Let me use your Instagram. Right, get it out. Boom, cool, sick. You know what, let's be bougie. Let's be a little bougie. I think I have limes. We're gonna put limes in there. Cool. Stay right there. Where's my limes at? Put limes in there. I like limes. These guys don't know anything about it because we just be doing random that shit. I like a good lime. If you watch the cocktail video, these are the same limes. Figure out the timeline. Okay? Get a knife. Fuck it, get a bread knife because we don't care. Boom. And then, boom. You're not eating them, you're just putting them in the water. Cool. I'll put those in there. Fuck it, I don't know. Boom. Sick. And then I don't know. I don't know. What do we do? Fucking water? I don't know. Make sure you use good water. Because you're inhaling it. And I don't know how the science works. But we're just gonna sit here because we're doing one take and it's gonna take forever. How are you guys doing? You doing good? I hope you're doing good. You know, we're doing great. You know, we're smoking hookah. You got a question, camera boy?
Do you have any mint?
No.
Ah.
You thought you were... So we're not shooting this in the same day as the cocktail party thing that we did. And mint doesn't last that long, first of all. So hey.
You're the one that fed that idea in my head for mint.
I did. Because I have limes. Limes last a decent amount of time.
So we're smoking lime, peach.
Yeah. It's going to be like my vape. Don't get water everywhere. Okay?
Zesty peach.
Zesty peach. The zestiest of peach. You know Steven likes the zesty. Right, Foil? Okay. Hey, you know, it is what I'm not paying attention at all. I don't know how much water. I don't usually do this part. You guys, that looks fine. I fucking hope. Okay, cool, boom. What do we do? We put this back on and hope it's enough water. Sick. It is. Push down, sick. Cool. Alright, so we're pretty much set up. Take the tray of pulse, which is fucking hot as shit now.
How to test it?
Test it. Okay, sure. I guess we could test an open tube. Take the tube, right? If you really need instructions, there's gonna be a big hole, little hole, right? Put the one that you don't put on your mouth in the thing, okay? Ours have rubber grommets and things, cool. That looks fine. I don't know. It tastes like lime already. But anyway, if you're a bitch, this is stupid hot, be careful. Boom. Okay, bowl goes on top. We have rubber grommets for everything. Sick. Look at that. Look at us. Making a video. We're doing hookah. All right. So this is pretty much set up. Okay. Take your tongs. Take the hot side of the coals. You need to get tall, real tall. Right. We didn't think this through. We're just doing shit. I like to start off with 2, hot side on the edges. You might see a little smoke. That's just smoke because we're smoking. Right. Cool. Boom. Give it like a little bit. Let it marinate a little bit in there. Let it get hot. Things like that. What'd you say, camera boy?
Ad break.
Ad break? Fuck. Okay, sure. We'll let that roast. Hey, you guys ever hear of the thing called Nesto Decal Company? I'm the owner of it. If you need decals, shirts, merchandise, logos, whatever you need, hit up Nesto Decal. It's at nestodecal.co on Instagram. We have a website, www.nestodecal.com, where you can order things and it'll come to your door. Fastest production in the game, okay? Shout out to Nesto Decal, myself, shameless plug. Next up, Steezy.md. Steezy Media, for any photos, reels, videos, things like that. He could also make you logos too. However, I'm better at it. So again, shout out to SteezyMD. That's at Steezy.md. Hit him up, okay? Last but not least is Low Customs. He doesn't like being on camera, but I like pointing at him, okay? He's like, please, no. But anyway, back to production. Hit up Loke_Customs with a K. Starlights, headliners, repairs, installs, wings, splitters, whatever you want, he could do it, depending, right? Obviously, like, we're not gonna fucking, you know, build your whole car. But however, if you don't know how to do it at home, you don't have time, drop off your car, he'll do it, right? It's cheap, he's great, quality's up there, cool. Yeah, shout out to Detail Garage Fresno. There's some real ones. I know the ad breaks don't usually include them, but fuck it, I'm maybe $5, I can do what I want. So shout out to Detail Garage Fresno, Ricky, all the guys there, you know, go check them out. I guess that's the end of the fucking ad break. We're not doing any cuts, so this should be ready. And you're gonna suck on it, okay? Now, I didn't think this through, and I know you probably fucking did, and I just realized that you got me to suck on shit on camera. So fuck you, fuck you, fuck you. You're cool. Fuck you though. So, let's suck on some shit. There's nothing much, because you need to get it in there. Damn, that's limey as fuck. That's fucking limey, I like it. But yeah, so you're gonna visually see the smoke. It's a little cloudy in there, right? Just keep sucking. Okay? Look, smoke. Cool. If you need to test anything or like make it hotter, I like to put them more towards the middle. It's not a science. Nothing we do is scientific. There's no skill, right? But this is set up. This is good. It tastes like peaches, limes. It's a great time with the boys. They sell little tips that we have so you don't get COVID-19. Shout out to COVID-19. But they have little tips. No, don't shout out to COVID. Yeah, fuck COVID-19. Fucking hate COVID-19. Bleep that shit because we're gonna bleep that. But anyway, you can probably read my mouth. But anyway, that's gonna be bleeped. However, you want me to end it?
No.
No, okay.
That's a big rip.
I'm sorry. Not a bitch. I don't know what to do now because the video's done. That's it. Enjoy it. This is again, we're watching another movie, okay? Let's get it a little bit. We just filmed an ice cream episode. Let's break the fourth wall a little bit, okay? We just broke the fourth wall. We just filmed ice cream. So when you're watching this is immediately after ice cream. We're not watching movies. Help me. I'm in trouble. These guys won't let me do anything fucking else. If you see this, fucking help me. But anyway, that's Hookah. I'm Wavy 50. Enjoy your time with your fellas, you know, your boys. Make some memories. This is good to go. There's a whole hookah hooked up and we're probably just gonna throw it away. No, camera boy says no. So if you know who the camera boy is, shout him out in the comments below. He loves hookah. No one else smokes though. No one.
It's just me and you.
Just me and you, dog. Like always. But yeah, also if you want a little advice, there's a little like thing on here that like lets more air in. Not really important, but hey, it might help your experience. But hopefully this is a 10-minute video. I'm Wavy 50. This is Hookah. Shout outs to you. I wouldn't be doing this without you guys. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell. Follow us on Instagram, follow us on TikTok, follow us on Twitter, everything. And I love you, and I'll see you next time. Okay, bye.